I'm not gonna go down for something I don't remember doing.
A dramatic outburst in court today as a woman accused of murdering her ex-boyfriend had to be ordered just to quiet down. Good evening, I'm Steve Atkinson.
And I'm Kimberly Hunt. That outburst threw a major monkey wrench into the trial. And as 10 News reporter Chris Murphy shows us what the woman's brother said on the stand could prove even more damaging.
For Vegas Bray, Wednesday's preliminary hearing was a 1-2 punch. First, there was her outburst.
I'm not gonna go down for something I don't remember doing. I'm not going down for a murder that didn't even happen. I didn't know. I'm not going down for something I don't remember doing. And if people can't tell the story straight, this is probably why I'm here in the first place.
Bray was reacting to testimony. She faces 50 years to life if convicted of shooting and killing her ex-boyfriend, Victor Saucedo, last year. Prosecutors say the 24-year-old had stalked and harassed Saucedo after they broke up in 2011, even throwing paint on his front door. They'll try to prove her obsession turned deadly on October 16th, when they claim she shot him 6 times, then reloaded and shot him 3 more times. The second blow to her case on Wednesday came from her own brother. He testified Bray confessed to him over the phone the day of the murder.
I called her again, and she picked up, and she told me what had happened.
What'd she tell you?
And she killed her boyfriend.
What words did she use?
Just like that. She's like, I shot him.
Even with that testimony, the case is now on hold.
Because I found out that he did cheat on me.
After Bray's outburst, the judge postponed the preliminary hearing until June so Bray could undergo a psychiatric evaluation to determine whether she's mentally fit to stand trial. In Chula Vista, Chris Murphy, 10 News.